User experience can make or break your product, and anyone telling you that you can launch a product being completely scrappy, in my opinion, is completely BS, because the level of craft for new software nowadays, it's crazy high, and people do have expectations. So I will be reviewing both products, and I will try to be completely honest. I will try to give my raw feedback and reaction about them, and hopefully this type of feedback can be super helpful for them to make their product a bit better. So we'll start by Alex with efficient app. So, okay, what is that? Okay, no bullshit software reviews plus comparisons. Okay, so I get straight away with the landing page what this is about. I've seen some of your podcasts already. Okay, so let's try all-in-one there. Okay, so there is a full comparison of all the product available, and can you do? I'm sure you can do Notion versus Lite. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is clearly a tool where you can compare two different similar software. This is extremely text heavy. I'm not sure if everyone will stay there until the end. What I mean by that is when there's too much text like that, people tend to be too lazy and not read it. At least I will be part of this category. So because you're doing a lot of videos, maybe I know this is a lot of work, but maybe this is something that would be better in that regard. Obviously, in terms of SEO, this is perfect. You have a lot of things. The other thing that strikes me straight away is that this part there takes a lot of space. I would like to see more of the content and more of what I want to see straight away. For me, the value start to see the value, I have to scroll a lot. And people are lazy, and if you scroll too much to get to a point where you have a result, you'll have a lot of people that drops, I think. Also for me, I believe a lot of that is for SEO, like the way you display everything. I think that's for SEO, but I can't really see straight away. Oh, okay, you have a part services, because I guess this is your business, and I guess this is like some way you must be advising people to use a different tech stacks. If I understood what you were doing, but for me it's a bit hidden. So maybe you've done that on purpose, but for me this is maybe not obvious. Okay, let's click on access. Okay, yeah, that's it. You are, I think, if well understood, you will give the best tech stack for a given company. So I guess for companies that are not like super tech savvy, maybe it will be a good way of it will be a good product. For me, I don't feel I'm like the best target audience for that. But like I said, for me, this is perfect for your landing page. You are up there. You can search and you can go towards the right direction. But then when you click on a tag or when you click on a company, you still, or on a comparison, you still have to scroll quite a bit. And I think this is maybe an issue. Okay, so let's continue with Lexington Theme. Actually, I know this website, and I think, like, first of all the templates on there looks amazing. This is basically a website where you can buy a bundle and have a bunch of different templates using Tailwind and Astra. So first of all, to come back to the previous example, this is this is a page where I have access straight away to what I wanted. So this is what I meant. Like you can see, you have the filters, and you have straight away, you have images that, like, it speaks way more than just a lot of text. But to go back to Lexington, I truly love the templates. As the UX, I think is great. But something that I would love to see, first of all, is to have something else than Astro. For instance, I'm a Next.js user, so I never use Uthemes because this is for Astro. And because you're using Tailwind, something that I would love to see because you're using Tailwind is a way to customize the Tailwind configuration straight away from your website. So, because obviously when you buy a theme like that, you always tweak the colors, you always tweak things, right? And I would love to maybe have something like that embed into your website. This way I can play with the colors, play with the fonts, play with the padding. I don't know, like you're the master with that. And then I can download the theme straight away with everything applied on it. That would be amazing. In terms of UX, I think it's really great. It's super intuitive. There's nothing much to it in terms of UX because it's a very simple website, but that's not a bad thing actually. That's really cool. I love the fact that you have a documentation and that every theme follows the same file structure. So yeah, huge kudos on that. Okay, let's go with another one. Busca.io. Okay, so I never actually tried this one. Let's continue with Google. Okay, so let's go with the onboarding. I really like the UX so far and the design. Okay, nearly 90% customer read online review before visiting business. Okay, so straight away I see that this is about your business being reviewed. Okay, Busca listen to the vast expanse of the internet, capturing every mention and feedback about your work. Wow, that's really cool. I'm really wondering how it works. Okay, let's continue. New keyword. Okay, let's do brew, which is my SaaS. Productize. Okay, I guess this is the only thing I want. Create your team. Bro. Okay. I just logged in with Google, so I think this step is a step that you can just remove altogether because I feel this is something that this is some details that you can actually have with the Google Sync. I'm scanning the entire web for you. Please wait. Wow, I really like the experience so far. There's a bit of curiosity that makes you want to wait because you want to know if anyone talk about your product. At least I want to know. So that's really cool. Nice. Okay. So it's looking in Reddit, LinkedIn, YouTube. 5 on YouTube. Okay, 5 on YouTube. I guess this is my own videos. See all mentions. Okay, there's a pricing wall, of course. Okay, but let's try with. Okay, so let's say this one. Let's say I click on this one and go, and then I have this. So this is obviously stuff that I added myself. I mean, I posted myself, but that's really cool. So I guess something that I would like to know is, okay, now that I have those informations, what do I do with it? With them, sorry. I would love to maybe have some sort of, so maybe this is possible, but this is not something that's obvious to me. And this is actually something that I will pay for, is there any mention on the internet that are not from me, that I'm not aware of? And if so, can I receive a notification about it so I can respond straight away? I can't really find way to notification in Teams, integrations. Okay, so maybe this is something that you can get. Okay, I guess this is something that you can get. Yeah, so that's really cool. Maybe the integration part should be more obvious. For now, it's not obvious enough. And also, I would love to filter out notifications that are from me, because, like, for instance, I gave you my name, and in some of the notifications, in some of the alerts, there is obviously my name. So probably you shouldn't display those. So at least you should like tag them or categorize them. So I'm not kind of like losing my time going through all the notifications. But overall, I'm really impressed. Really cool product, man. Yeah.